have to look at another permutation and combination. Solve n permutation of 5 everything over n combination 3 equals to 12. Of course, this n permutation of 5 gives us n factorial over what? N minus 5 factorial. Divided by n combination 3, which is what? N factorial over what? 3 factorial. That's the difference. So n minus 3 factorial equals then 12. Going forward, this one becomes n factorial all over what? N minus 5 factorial multiplied by this 12. Of course, this one cancels this one. So that 3 factorial of give us 3 times 2 times 1 into n minus 3. Since we have n minus 5 factorial down, so we can still go for the n minus 4. It will be continuing. It will be reducing. N minus 5. Since we are having factorial, we stop there. Since we have n minus 5 factorial down, so over what? 5 factorial equals 12. So that this can cancel this. Therefore, here we are going to have 6 into n. Divide both sides by 6. This one cancels this. Then we have n minus 3. Then n minus 4 equals 2. Cancel this one, cancel it. So when you multiply this out, we are going to have n squared minus 4n. Put inside, we are going to have n squared minus 7n plus 12 minus 2 coming inside because we must collect the like term. So we have n squared minus 7n plus 10. Everything equals to 0. Of course, n squared times 10, we have 10n squared. 10n squared can still be written as what? 5n and 2n. Can still be written as 5 minus 5n and minus 2n. But when you add this, it will give us minus 7n. So this one is accepted. Why this one is wrong? So we are going to have n squared minus 5n minus 2n plus 10 equals 0. Of course, n is common, and we are going to have n minus 5 into minus 2 into n minus 5 equals 0. N minus 5 is common, so we take it out so that we can have n minus 2 equals 0. For here, n is equal to 5 or n is equal to 2. So we can agree with the answer 5. So the real values of n, we take 5 for easy approach. So that if you share from here, we can have 5 minus 3 factorial. All this one gives us 5 factorial over 0 factorial, which is 1. And this one will go up 3 factorial into 2 factorial all over. This one will cancel this. Of course, 3 factorial gives us 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 again times 1. It's over 0 factorial, which is 1. So 3 times 2, 6 times 2, that's 12. So we are correct for this.